Alright, here we go. Doing another wound cavity, 45 long colt. 100D defensive load right here. Let me see. There you go. Shooting out the judge. Gonna do a wound channel through a cantaloupe and see how we do. Well, and there we go. He didn't kill the cantaloupe with the bullet, he's drowning it with the water. Alright, well, kind of a skid mark, but we opened it up like a canoe. And here's a canoe for you. Here we go. Wound channel, cantaloupe, Bohemian science. It ain't the greatest, but it gives you an idea. 45 long colt, whatever you prefer. Wow, that actually did nicely. Definitely a nice bullet. Went into the first jug and stopped on the first jug and opened up pretty darn good. So we're looking pretty good right there. That's nice. Did what it's supposed to. Nice cavity too. So there you go, 45 long.